Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing a chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And as we all know, Euro USD was traveling, not traveling. Euro USD was trading in a downward channel here, and after the Fed's meeting, when Feds declared that inflation will be there for the short term and COVID-19 will be there part of our life, then the whole market changed. There was a turmoil in the market and dollar started falling because inflation devalues the currency, and as a result US dollar, which was in uptrend, started coming down. See, this is the chart of US dollar and dollar started falling. And right now you can see that dollar is under the influence of sellers because you can see that dollar is unable to recover. So looking at the present condition of the dollar chart, it is very likely that dollar will be under the influence of sellers for quite some time. So as we all know, it has a direct impact on the forex market because if US dollar starts going up, then currencies like euro and pound starts going down. Therefore, you should also keep your eyes on the DXY or US dollar as well. So this is a chart of Euro USD, and right now you can see that market is in uptrend, and as we all know, we should always follow the trend of the market. Trend of the market means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. Overall, if you look at the chart, then the chart may be telling you that market is in downtrend, but as I've just told you that after the Fed's meeting, things have changed. Dollar is in downtrend right now. Therefore, we will only consider the present trend of the market, and the present trend of the market says Euro USD is in uptrend. Therefore, we will only look for buying opportunities. Clear? And as I always say, we should always look for area of value before executing any order. Area of value means the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. So here in an uptrend market, the area of value is always near the support, whereas the area of value in a downtrend market is always near the resistance. This market is an uptrend, so our duty is to find the best support for this market. Okay. To be very honest, okay, right now the chart of Euro USD does not have any proper support, proper strong support here. The only support that we have, good support that we have, is 1.17200. This support belongs to the weekly chart. Okay. And as we all know, weekly chart is the time frame of the big boys, the big players. Therefore, the support and resistance levels for the weekly chart are extremely important. So this is the weekly chart, and you can see that this support has been playing a good support or crucial role. So give a thumbs up to the weekly chart. Okay. But the only problem that we have right now is that the support level is quite far away from the current market price. You can see that there is a huge gap between the support level and here. So apart from these level, the only support level is this, and this level is also quite far away. And if you look at the chart here, then the only support that we can draw on the chart is this trend line. In your charting platform, if you do not have these lines, then I'll request you, my dear friend, please draw this line so that you can also understand the market better. So once you join these levels, okay, then you can get a trend line like this. But let me be very honest to you that this trend line does not seem to be a very strong support for the market. Okay. So what should be your strategy for Monday then? For Monday, I'll say that wait for the market to open on Monday and just see how the price opens, because the market may be in uptrend, but I am not very much convinced, or I am not in favor of this chart right now, because see, Euro USD is also in uptrend. GBP USD is also in uptrend, but the chart of GBP USD is much more prominent, much more beautiful. See, this is the chart of GBP USD. You can easily see that market is standing in support. If it bounces, you can go for buy order. But the chart of Euro USD is kind of messy. In fact, the uptrend is also not much convincing, because it does not have the required strength also. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, then you can see that in the Forex sentiment meter, 48% retail traders have taken short position and 51% retail traders have taken long position. Even retail traders are also very much confused. They are also not sure whether the market will be going up or going down. They are also very much in dilemma regarding the trend of the market, because though market is going up, but still the uptrend is not convincing enough. And you'll find a Forex sentimeter on my website avilashhajarika.com under Forex 101 section. And if you want to know how much volatility or movement or profit you can make from the Euro USD, then you need to come down to the Forex volatility calculator. Once you come down to the Forex volatility calculator, you can see that this is the Euro USD. So on 15 minutes chart, you can expect a volatility of 7 pips. In the 20 minutes, it has come down to, sorry, in 30 minutes, it has come down to 3 pips. In the 1 hour chart, you can only expect a movement of 10 pips, and in the 4 hour chart, you can expect a movement of 35 pips. In a daily chart, you can expect 53 pips. So this is the volatility of the Euro USD, or the profit you can make from the chart of Euro USD. Anyways, what should be a strategy? I'll say that wait for the market to open on Monday and just see how the price is doing. In case price comes down, okay, in case price comes down, then just observe the price at this trend line. In case you see price taking support and bouncing, then that's well and good. You can go for buy order. You'll get the confirmation in the form of a hammer or price rejection from below. Once you see price being rejected from below at the trend line, then you'll get the confirmation that market is trying to take support, and you can go for buy order at the trend line. On the other hand, you can also draw a flag pattern like this. See, this is a flag pattern. Flag pattern is generally a bullish pattern. We draw a flag pattern whenever market goes up, takes rest, and goes up again. So if you are a beginner, if you are not very much familiar with the patterns and all, then my dear friend, I'll request you, please avoid the chart of Euro USD. You can concentrate on other chart like Gold USD, GBP USD. Okay. And if you are familiar with these patterns, then you can try to trade. So you can see that I have drawn a flag pattern here. So in case market gives you a breakout above this line, because there may be a possibility also that market does not come down to the support level and goes up from here. So in case you find market going up crossing this black line or the line above, then also you can go for a buy here, considering this as a flag pattern. Just keep in mind that please follow proper risk management. Okay, follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. This is my request. Okay, so in case market does not come down to take support at the trend line, you can go for buy if market breaks this black pattern. So these are the two trading opportunities, and if you are looking for a far better opportunity, safer opportunity, then I'll tell you to switch to other chart, other currency pairs, because to be honest, at least I'm not personally trading on a chart of Euro USD on Monday. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday.